Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today, unusually, we are going to see a designer saree instead of a designer blouse. Since the blouse is designed already with machine embroidery, I am going to make a saree into a designer saree with very low cost and less time. And this is the saree what I mentioned, and I bought 9 meters of the golden lace which suits to the saree and stitch over. And this is the pallu. So the border really suits to the rose color very well, and this is the designer blouse which is given completely machine embroidered. I just made round neck on that. And these are the material, diamond golden metal frame, and these are the substitute for mirrors. Nowadays mirror plates are available. I bought circular shape of them, and these are the mirror frames. So instead of making embroidery on the mirrors, nowadays it is available in all the colors, so you can buy a suitable color. I bought blue color, and this is the silk thread, same blue color, and nose player or cutting player, and the ball chain. Today ball chain I am going to different in a different way. Let's see how I am going to make the saree with a beautiful design and easy design. See, I am making 3 marks with a gum. As you can see in the video, the glue is applied as a triangle there. So each dot is fixed with a mirror plate, and this mirror plate is more advantageous. It is durable and long lasting. The lustre will not go even after washing, so better than the mirrors. So this is the mirror frame, which is one side bulged and another side it is flattened. The flattened side only glue is going to be applied, and since it is made up of completely thread, and this will very well and very easily fix with the saree fabric. Any kind of saree fabric, this frames will fit, so it's easy to be fixed, and time is very less to do this work. If you do this with hands as embroidery, it will drag you for a week or more than that, but we are going to make this in 1 hour. See, I fixed all this 3 in this way, so I can find a flower like structure now. So to the addition, I am making ½ inch of glue in between 2 mirror rings. So same ½ inch of ball chains I have cut already, and they are going to be fixed here, so they can act as the center part of the leaf. So very simply I am fixing them. Later we can have at the mid a stitch of same golden thread. So it is fixed now. Now the metallic frame is going to be fixed here as a leaf. This metallic frame is available in many shapes: leaf shape, diamond shape, circular, and many other different shapes it is available, and I felt this diamond would be very beautiful in this design, and this metallic golden color will suit to the border which we have chosen in the form of a lace. A beautiful leaf is made now. In the same way you make in all the 3 places a beautiful, you can have the regular repetition of this motif. So it can be either periodic, or you can have points here and there all over the saree and make a mark in the form of safety pins. Either you can have chalk piece mark or the safety pins. Safety pins are better, so that you can remove the pin and make a motif in that place. See, or one more option, you can wear the saree, or if you have the saree already with some motif designs in them, you can use that as the reference and mark the points. Now I am removing the safety pin and doing the motif pattern there, the same thing, and here and there I did with only one mirror frame and the mirror plate. See, one sample I just want to share with you. See, this place I am making only with one frame. So already I fixed one metal plate with the glue on the fabric. Now I am fixing frame on that. After the frame, it is the ½ inch of ball chain and a diamond golden metallic frame there. Now once it is completely dried, you can fix a frame and have a golden color thread and fix all the diamond rings there, and it has the hole both the sides. Through the hole you can insert the needle and fix on the fabric. It is very tight. Along with, you give a single stitch at the mid of every ball chain, so ball chain is also stitched well, and give a tight knot at the back. So even when you wash the saree, it's durable, it won't come out. So for placement we used glue, and for stability we stitched it. Now I am doing the same thing with the blue color thread on the mirror rings, because mirror rings here are made with the blue color, so you can have the stitches more invisible. Go with sieving thread. Silk thread won't help you here, because silk thread won't be so tight, so anytime they may be removed from the frame. So use a sieving thread of same color here for giving secure stitches always. That's it. It is also tightly fixed. Now the whole design is very stable on the saree. And now what I am going to make with the silk thread, let us see. Blue color silk thread I got, and what you all need is a pad and the scissor. So using a pad, you give 150 winds of blue color silk thread here, and give a nice cut. That's why I said, see how the pad is flexible, so that cutting is so easy, even winding is easy. Once it is cut, you take the bundle away and fix a particular length in your mind of the tassel and fold. So folding, you can have the support of toothpick, so that winding will be easy. You can have nearly 10 to 15 winds, and take the toothpick away and give a very tight knot, so that a tassel is ready, and it won't make you stress when you do this. So toothpick idea is the wonderful idea. You can also follow it. And I am giving a stitch or the knot here. Even you can have golden threads and wind and make a knot over there. I am doing it with the same color silk thread itself, and I am cutting the next part of the tassel, and it is 150 plus 150, 300 winds in one tassel. And I am doing the next tassel now. You can apply glue in the place where you have tied it. Once the glue is dried, the tassel becomes more stable. And I am doing the second part now. While doing the second tassel, you don't leave the bundle down, because collecting them will be very difficult, because strands will be disturbed when you just leave it down. So don't leave it down. Make all the tassels to your comfort and trim them to the same length, and do them with more satisfaction. Superb. So most of the tassels are done. You may need 22 to 25 tassels for a pallu, and that crowdness is enough. Don't do more than or less than that. You can attach the tassels with the pallu in so many ways. There are so many materials available in the shop for making tassels, beautiful tassels, but the saree is the regular wear saree and everyday usage, so that I am not going to spend much time on making tassels and stitching them there. So very simply, after making the tassel, it is only 15 minutes of making 25 tassels. I just used the sieving machine, and I kept the tassels at the bottom of the pallu and gave the stitch with the same color thread using sieving machine. This is the finished look. See how a plain saree turned into a very beautiful grand designer saree, and it is very good for daily usage. Hope you all will do this, and if you really enjoy this video, share, subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.